Welcome to the first ever TikTok autoresponder. So let's go ahead and dive right in. All you have to do to log in with your TikTok profile is to just scan this QR code right here, and then that's it. And done, we are in. We can now go ahead and check out my profile on TikTok. And then we can see I haven't posted anything yet. And then we can go ahead and post something. So let's select our profile. And then let's write a caption, or you know what, even better yet, I'll have OpenAI write the caption for me. So let's do something like, so I have a video about a video game that I've played recently, and I just want them to generate a caption for me, and we'll give OpenAI some time to do that. And I really like this caption, so we'll keep this caption as it is, and we're just going to add the video, and done. So we have the video here, we have the cool caption written by OpenAI, and we can just go ahead and post immediately. And let's go ahead and check out our profile here. We'll reload. Now, everything doesn't stop to just posting on TikTok and generating captions using ChatGPT. You can also schedule your posts as well as using our built-in URL shortener to make sure you have maximum engagement for your videos, as well as putting in minimal effort. And with a built-in file manager, as well as caption generator, and not to mention an included watermark generator to make sure that all of the content you post is watermarked and 100% unique. So check out the first TikTok autoresponder today, and I cannot wait to see you inside.